Here I got a 2022 Toyota Tacoma, and in this video I will show you a really easy way on how you can turn off the maintenance required light. So in my truck it is showing maintenance required, and I just did my oil change recently, and this is how you turn it off. So you use this arrow pad right here, including this button. So you click on this arrow to leave the reminder. So next you want to use these arrows to find the settings icon. So you click here until you find settings. So that will bring you right here to this list, and you want to go all the way here to maintenance reset. Then you press this dot, which is basically okay, and it says reset the maintenance reminder. Click up. So you go and click on yes, and now maintenance reset complete. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found this helpful.